The wastewater treatment technology for industrial wastewater from various producers consists of a neutralization station, a demulsification station, and a final membrane bioreactor treatment stage. The treated effluent meets the limits for discharge into the river. The wastewater treatment capacity is 140 cubic meters per day. The plant consists of 3 wastewater treatment lines to accommodate a wide variety of wastewater producers. The treated types of wastewater include primarily cutting emulsions, various kinds of rinsing water, water containing heavy metals, wastewater containing oil substances, tars, paints, concentrated process solutions, or wastewater from food production. The individual streams of wastewater are received at the tapping point. The treatment lines work in an automatic batch mode with the possibility of switching to the manual mode, to make adjustments in any step of the ongoing process sequence. Wastewater is pumped from storage tanks to batch reactors where time-segregated processes take place. The reactors are equipped with a vertical agitator, a technological cover, devices for the removal of oil and floating substances, a discharge valve, and ports for the installation of pH measurement and chemical agent dosing fittings. After the chemical treatment in the reactors, the precipitated mixture is fully pumped into a separation reactor where the subsequent processing and separation take place. The dewatering of the precipitated sludge is provided by filter presses. The filtrate from the filter presses is collected in a pre-treated water storage tank. Chemical agents are dosed in liquid and solid forms. The preparation of solutions from powder takes place in automatic preparation units. The whole wastewater treatment process is automated. It is operated by program sequences controlled by a local PLC integrated within the preparation units. There is data communication between each solution preparation peripheral and the central control system. The control and power circuits are integrated within the central switchboard. Each reactor also has a local touch panel with visualization. The chemical dosing and the whole treatment process will be automated and controlled by a Cymatic PLC microprocessor unit. The residual organic pollution requires another step to reduce it. An optimal solution to provide for this is to include the MBR technology. It is a biological treatment process using ultrafiltration membrane separation. The system works with high concentrations and a more mature sludge. This combination enables the biological treatment of even harder to decompose organic substances. Ultrafiltration membranes thus allow the treatment of effluents with poorer separation properties. If you are interested in our professional industrial wastewater treatment solutions, please do not hesitate to contact us.